Good morning, children. Welcome to the physics class. Today we will be studying about speed of the sound. Now, as you all know, sound is produced by a vibrating body. That means the particles vibrate and the sound is created. And sound travels in the form of waves. So, wave is traveling in the medium. And children, you are very well aware that any object which moves, it will have a speed or a velocity. So, same way, sound also travels with a certain speed. And the speed varies in different medium. So, generally what it is found that speed of the sound is approximately 332 meter per second in air. The speed varies. It doesn't remain the same. There are certain factors on which speed of the sound depends. So first factors on which speed of the sound depends. Number one, temperature. More the temperature, of the medium or air, you can say, more the temperature of the air, more is the speed of the sound. Meaning of this is that on a hot day, the speed of the sound will be more than on a cold day, because on a hot day the temperature is more and on a cold day the temperature is less. So as the temperature increases, so of the air, more is the speed of the sound. Second is humidity. More is the humidity, more is the speed of the sound. So first factor which I told you right now, temperature, directly proportional. Directly proportional means more is the temperature of the air or the medium, more will be the speed of the sound. Secondly, humidity in the air. More is the humidity, more is the speed of the sound. Now children, what do you think? Speed of the sound, does it remain same in all the three mediums? Solid, liquid or gas? No. Speed of the sound varies in different medium. And what it is found that speed of the sound in solid is greater than speed of the sound in liquid. Is greater than speed of the sound in air. Meaning of this is speed of the sound is maximum in solid and minimum in air, and it varies in between in the liquid. Meaning of this is that speed of the sound in solid is more than the liquid, but speed of the sound in liquid is more than the gas or air UT. So speed of the sound varies in different medium. Maximum in solids, minimum in gas or air, and in between in the liquid. Now, how to calculate the speed of the sound comes the next question. How to calculate the speed? First of all, if you remember, you had learned in the previous chapter, speed is given by the formula distance upon time. Okay? So, if we know how much distance the sound is travelled and in how much time, we can calculate the speed of the sound. Let's say a person is standing here and another person is standing over here. Now, this person A, he produces sound and he gives an indication to the person B here that sound has started traveling. He starts his stop clock and he notes the time in which he is able to hear the sound. And we already know the distance between these two people. I am repeating again this thing, that two people are standing here, A and B. A produces sound and he gives a flash. He gives a flash that the sound has started. Person B starts his stopwatch and he notes the time in which he hears the sound. Distance between these two people we are already knowing. Now we can put these variables over here. Distance we are knowing, time in which he hears the sound he knows. We can calculate the speed of the sound. So children, in this video we learnt about that sound depends upon certain factors. It varies. Number one, temperature. More the temperature of the air or the medium, more will be the speed of the sound. Secondly, it depends upon the humidity of the air. More the humidity of the air, more will be the speed of the sound. Second thing we learnt, that speed varies depending upon the medium in which it is traveling. Maximum speed was in solids, minimum it was found in gases or air, and liquid it comes in between the solid and the gas. Meaning of this is, speed of the liquid is less than the solid but more than the gas. So children, learn this, revise this. In the next video, we will be doing the numericals based on these formulas. Thank you. Have a nice day.